Hi, for today's video I have a couple of features to demo to you. Creating a new lead in OpenCRM via a drop form submission and then converting that lead to carry the details across to the new contact, company and opportunity records. So I'm going to start by creating that lead in the drop form. If you look at the data we've captured, details like personal skills are relevant to the contact, number of employees is relevant at company level, and implementation date is useful on your opportunity. The personal skills and implementation date fields are custom fields, so we now need to look at our field mapping and instruct the system how we want it to convert that data. As you can see, you have a lot of options for mapping or copying information from one record to another. Here I've mapped the implementation date from the lead to the opportunity and the personal skills field to the contact. Now when I convert that lead, you can see at company level it has inherited details such as industry and number of employees. If I flip to the contact, you can see the personal skills field, and if I now switch to the opportunity, you can see that implementation date field has been filled in. So in a couple of steps we've captured a lead via a web form submission, and when we want to bring that into our sales pipeline, all that valuable information has been segmented and stored where it makes the most sense. Thank you for watching.